For my dashboard project for GSIM in the fall 2013, I had to make a dashboard project for upper level management to show the productivity of sales personnel in a company. And what I chose to do, well, we had to do 9 different ways to show this, and the ways I did it was a lot of pivot charts, a few pivot tables, and a couple Excel charts, as pictured on the current slide. The first one is product popularity, so I showed which was a popular product, just highlighting that certain bar to show that. The next one, I showed the top 3 and bottom 3 salespeople by only showing the top 3 using given information, also including a macro on each one to change the view of the graph as well as add grid lines if needed. And I'll talk about 2 of the other graphs later, but I also included some tables to give a different view to easily show management how the productivity was doing. I included the sales channel versus units sold graph with a slicer, and what this shows is on the slicer you can pick any of the 5 products. You can pick one of them, you can pick 2, you can pick as many as you want, and what will be shown on the graph will be how many was sold for each sales channel, which is direct, online, or retail. And this way it can show which way was the most popular way to sell the products. And I like this graph because it has a lot of information in a very accessible format. Instead of cluttering up one chart and having to search for the information you need, you can just click on one on the slicer and it'll come up, and it's really easy to work with, it's really easy to look at, and it saves a lot of space on the dashboard. The next slide is my favorite part of the dashboard, and that was the temperature chart. And I think this is the most visually appealing chart. Like, I really like this chart, so I was really excited when I learned how to make it. And on this, I took the target sales that we wanted for 2012, and that's the red bar, and on top of it I placed the revenue bar, which is the actual sales that we showed, and this shows how close we were to our target sales for the year 2012. And it's just a nice looking chart. You can easily see the information, and it's super simple, but it's something not many people know how to do, and it looks complex when it's really not. And this is my favorite part of the dashboard project that we did this year, and it's definitely something I can see myself using in the future for a project similar to this.